Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to turn off password when downloading apps on App Store. Let's get started. First, open your settings on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap your Apple ID name at the top. Next, tap the media and purchases, and this choose the password settings. Then under the free downloads, toggle off the required password. And also, if you're using Face ID or Touch ID, you can go back to Settings and click Face ID and Passcode and turn off iTunes and App Store to stop it from asking for password or Face ID every time you download. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the password when downloading apps on your iPhone. Now you can now download apps faster and easier. No password needed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.